on FamilySearch, do you ever get frustrated when you find multiple sources for the same exact record type? Let's talk about that next. Howdy, I'm Devon Noel Lee, and this is Family History Fanatics. During the Research Over My Shoulder series talking about Winfield Underwood, we've come across multiple times when 3 or more records are found on FamilySearch, but it's for the same event, like a marriage or a birth or a death event. Why does that happen? Now, as we've said in a previous video, the FamilySearch family tree was created so that we could dump a whole lot of record sets into one pot and sort it all out instead of continuing to propagate errors again and again and again. It's the power of crowdsourcing. And so one of the collections was the IGI. If you missed that video, look for the info pop out that will happen here in a moment, or look in the descriptions to learn more about IGI. But basically what you need to know for this purpose is that the IGI was based on records extracted from vital collections, either civil or church records from around the world, or they were user-submitted content. But today we went through and we found 3 additional hints, and 2 of them come from indexes. Volunteers in the past would go through and they would look at the different documents, marriage, death, birth, and so on, and create an index that helps us to find things quickly in the actual record collection. It was pretty handy in the past. Now, some of the indexes are the only things that are surviving because the original records were damaged or destroyed. And so it pays to have that index collection in FamilySearch for you to attach to your tree. But then FamilySearch is actively going and getting those original records we most want to see. And so those up here as additional source hints, even though all 4 of these point to the exact same event and really point to the same record, that original marriage record. So your next question should be, so I have 4 sources about the same event. Do I have 4 pieces of evidence? You're starting to think like an intermediate and advanced researcher. No, you don't have additional pieces of evidence because each of these sources are pointing to the same original document, the same facts, so to speak. So your next question might be, some of you who want to clean up the family tree, is should you delete the 2 indexes in that IGI source? No, I wouldn't. Because by adding these sources to your tree, you're not adding more weight to the marriage. Really, they all point to the same source. But these collections and the algorithms that help us find new records improve as we attach sources instead of saying, well, this didn't really match. Well, now the computer goes, wait, it didn't? Why? That doesn't make any sense. And eventually the hints will come right back up and we don't want to deal with it again. So just leave it in your source collection and know that you do just have ultimately one piece of evidence for the marriage. If you agree or disagree with that, I'd like to have a conversation with you down in the comment section below. If it's not quite clear, be sure to tell me what questions you have about the fact that there's multiple sources that are hints, or that were hints, that we attach to the tree and really just talk about the same event. If you like this video, be sure to press the thumbs up so that this video will reach more viewers.